Hi, the first is the UVolt app. It's more of a content base and I love their rationals. And next is the NCLEX Mastery app. They have pretty much free resources, so you can use them wisely. They're put in order in a system wise, and I really like their timetable for the preparation for NCLEX, and you can see your own progress after doing all your questions. Mine doesn't show it here because I have not been using this for a while. And the next is the Kaplan. If you are failing NCLEX, you should probably do the Kaplan because it's more of a critical thinking questions. It's pretty costly, but it's worth it. The next few YouTubers which I follow, first is the Picnomic. Since I love studying with the pictures, so this is for that. And then next is the Registered Nurse RN. She have like around 200 videos. She teaches very well, and I really like her YouTube. And then next is the Simple Nursing. I think Michael, he teaches in a very funny and simple way, which I really love. And then next is the Nursity. This guy, he teaches pretty cool though. I really like the podcast for the pharmacology. And then I have created a playlist, so you can go check it out in my YouTube. And for book, I have used the Sondras, and I've done few of their questions, and I've given my books to my community. So don't forget to give yours to your community. Bye bye. Thank you.